So here we have a Packard Bell all-in-one. The customer's bought another all-in-one from us and needs the data from this drive, which we've managed to get off it. That's not a problem, and transferred it. But we always like to hand the hard drive back to the customer so they've got full control of knowing where it is. So we're going to have to disassemble this Packard Bell, which I don't think I've done one of these before. So we'll make a start taking this apart and getting the hard drive out for the customer. So that's the cover now removed. It was extremely tight, and there are a lot of these clips all around, loads of them, plastic ones, which are very difficult to get under with a pry tool. So this hard drive was fitted in March 2016, so it's 7 years old. So that's Windows 10 now installed. I've done that just to make sure that everything on it works prior to reassembling the rear case. Hard drive's now securing. We're going to remove the stand back off it now. So we'll get the rear case back on and get this all-in-one finished. You didn't see them on disassembly, but there's actually 2 screws here as well, hidden behind the DVD bezel. So don't forget to put these screws back in. So that's the Packard Bell all-in-one PC, now complete, Windows installed, fully updated and ready to go. That particular model I was working on there, I did look online and there's lots of Packard Bell all-in-one videos out there, but I couldn't come across any that was for that particular model. If you think there is one out there, then please do share me a link, because I'd be interested to watch that video as well as making my own. But everything's gone to plan. That's the main thing, and everything is now complete. So until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye for now.